Alright guys, so welcome to a completely new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to disable your iPhone charging above 80%. Or to say it in other words, how to limit your iPhone to only charge to 80%, which can be seen here. As you can see, my iPhone is at the moment charged to 64%. And my iPhone will never charge to anywhere above 80% because some sources say that this method allows you to prolong the life of your battery. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this now. So step number one is you want to locate your settings tab on your iPhone, then you want to tap on it. And what you want to do next is scroll slightly down and find this battery tab. We tap on it just as well. And here you want to tap on the battery health and charging or simply charging. It will depend on your iOS version. Okay, tap on it. And here you can turn off the optimized battery charging. This option will automatically limit your iPhone to charging just to 80% and never above. Okay? If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.